Hello boys and girls, yours truly, Andy Shore. This morning I received a package. Daddy's little bundle of joy. Not that much of a secret to you, you already know what's inside because of the video title and the thumbnail. Full disclosure, I'm not a technophile. I didn't even know that this thing was out. I was just watching YouTube videos the other day and this DJI commercial popped up. And I literally watched it like, and then Julie was like, my wife, what are you watching? So I showed it to her and she was like, let's get it. Yes. Hi. So today I received this tiny beauty and I decided, instead of filming it in my living room, why not take you guys out to some beautiful place not too far away from me. This is Point Vincent in Palos Verdes, California, about 15 minutes away from where I live. I love this place. Okay, let's go and find some nice spot to settle down. Oh, I love that. That's a pretty dope spot, isn't it? This thing was shipped from Cerritos, California, which is like 20 minutes away from where I live. So the delivery was super fast. Actually, it was shipped out yesterday and I received it early morning today. Isn't that great? That's it? Jesus. The package was tiny, but it's not even full, it's mostly paper. Okay, this are the documents. So here it is. The box itself doesn't feel premium. Oh, check this out. Oh my God. It's so tiny.
That's what she said.
Michael.
And it has a display. What? So this doesn't look neat, but I don't care. Oh. That will probably be very useful with this. Okay. Let's see if it works. What? Look at that. It's fully charged, actually. That's very nice of you, DJI. What it says? Not activated. Wait. You cannot record it without activating it? You cannot do anything with it? Well, that's a bummer. Give me a few minutes, okay? Okay, so I got a memory card. And now we need to download the app and activate the device. Such a beautiful day. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, I got it. Let's turn it on. DJI. English, please. Device not activated. Alright, so here what it looks like. This thing. And you put it onto here. Like that. Okay guys, epic fail. None of the adapters included in the package are suitable for my Samsung S7. See you on the road. Look, it has magically updated itself. This is day 2 of my adventures with the newly purchased Osmo Pocket by DJI. And let me tell you, the whole activation thing was a major pain in the ass. Let me give you a quick recap. When you buy this thing, in order to use it, you need to activate it. And in order to activate it, you need a specific phone with a Alright, let's find a place with less distractions. Okay, so where were we? Oh yeah, when you're purchasing this camera, if you want to make it work, you need to activate it. And in order to activate it, you need to have a specific phone with a specific port. If you own an iPhone, lucky you. If you own one of these phones, you're in luck too. The camera comes with 2 adapters for Apple's Lightning port and for USB Type-C. And oh god, where do I even start? Why the f does it need to be activated in the first place? Why does it have to be activated? It just blows my mind. Just imagine if you are buying like a new full-frame Canon, a camera, you know, not an accessory to an iPhone, a camera, and you turn it on and it says, please activate your device. You know, I can think of quite a few ways how they could pull it off. Bluetooth, just connecting it to a computer, but no. Luckily, a friend of mine is an Apple enthusiast, and he was very kind to let me activate it using his device. And I'm here at Redondo Beach to get a few comparison shots of Osmo Pocket versus, what do I have? I always forget the name. Osmo Mobile 2. Yes. this whole activation thing really got me. Just adding that third little adapter and this unboxing video wouldn't have been one giant activation rant. To sum it up, huge yays for the camera itself. It's tiny and solid, and huge boos for the activation and the lack of micro USB adapter. Anyways, how did you like the video? And do you already own Osmo Pocket? Have you had issues with the activation? Let me know. And see you in the next video. Bye.